Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Better Mortgage Review My US Digital Mortgage Experience. Better Mortgage Review My US Digital Mortgage Experience offers a digital platform for prospective homebuyers in the US to compare mortgage rates, get pre-approved, and manage the entire mortgage process online. It's aimed at simplifying the traditionally complex mortgage process and making it more accessible to tech-savvy borrowers. Key features likely include online application, document upload, and rate comparison tools. Their website provides details about their offerings. They emphasize streamlined application processes, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and potentially faster closing times compared to traditional lenders. The platform likely leverages technology to automate parts of the mortgage process, similar to how fintech companies are disrupting traditional banking. Availability should be checkable on their website, likely based on your location within the United States. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Better Mortgage Review My US Digital Mortgage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. I created an account on their website, providing some basic information, and was able to start browsing loan options almost immediately. The interface was clean and intuitive. I could easily compare different loan types, interest rates, and estimated monthly payments side by side. I particularly liked the built-in calculator that showed me how different down payment amounts would impact my overall costs. The whole platform felt very responsive and reliable, and the document upload feature worked seamlessly. I was able to securely upload all the necessary financial documents within minutes. I had a quick question about closing costs, and their support team responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to track the progress of my application. The standout feature for me was definitely the rate comparison tool, which allowed me to quickly see how Better Mortgage's rates stacked up against competitors. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, although the website was mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options for loan types, but once I did, it was very powerful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Better Mortgage. It significantly streamlined the mortgage process and offered competitive rates. That's my overview of Better Mortgage Review My US Digital Mortgage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.